everywhere. An East Texas sleep expert says that your sleeping patterns can have a direct effect on your personality and even your overall health. Studies have shown that there are both pros and cons for those night owls and those early risers. East Texas News' Francesca Washington explains what factors determine someone's sleep patterns and what it means for you.
Both Trey, Dillon, and Sid Mood spent this afternoon at the Foundry in Tyler. One of them woke up bright and early.
Some things I don't want to miss. Sometimes when you get older, if you miss it, you might not see it.
The other had just gotten out of bed.
I fall asleep probably between 2 and 4 o'clock every night. My mentality has always been, if I can't sleep, I got things to do.
Sleep medicine physician Daniel Obesso says genetics and routine factor into whether someone is a night owl or an early bird. Moon says she was a teacher for years and this morning woke up around 6.
It was earlier when I was teaching school, but I've sort of slowed down a bit.
Dillon says his former job kept him up pretty late.
I was a bartender for a while, got out super late. And so now I'm a photographer and I still keep the same habits of working late.
Studies show that early birds are more resistant to fatigue and frustration, which translates into lower levels of anxiety and lower rates of depression. Obesso says those who like to stay up late have a harder time the next day.
Society dictates that we're at work at a certain time, or school dictates that we're up by a certain time.
The American Academy of Sleep Medicine recommends 7 to 9 hours of sleep for adults. That's time that night owls typically miss, causing mental and physical issues.
When you sleep less, you're more likely to be depressed, you're more likely to have increased anxiety.
Obesso says there is no benefit in not getting enough sleep. However, he does say whether you're an early bird or night owl, as long as you get the recommended amount, your health will flourish. Francesca Washington, East Texas News.
Studies show that night owls are also more likely to suffer from insomnia and ADHD.